Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. It is Karen. I hope you're all having a fantastic week. It is the last video of 2020 and oh my goodness, do we need a fantastic year ahead. I think we all deserve it. I have my little hand Freya all ready to go, the nails all prepped. I'm starting off with Ankia, which is a black. And I'm just going to put a thin layer of black on all of the fingers because that's going to be the kind of the basis of our design, if you will, and they're going to be really sparkly and beautiful. But yeah, so here in the UK we are pretty much all in lockdown, tier 4 we're calling it. So yeah, not very many of us can go out to party at all or celebrate, but still we can have sparkly nails and get ourselves into the mood at home. So hence why I thought I would go ahead with this video anyways, because you know, it's always nice to have sparkly, exciting nails. So anyways, like I said, I'm going to put a layer of Ankia on each of those nails and then we are going in for a cure. If I haven't said it before, sorry, I would recommend obviously that you put a sort of base layer of gel down first, just so that whenever you're removing the design, you can file down to Okay, so going in with my Cool One Step Gel and this beautiful glitter from Nail Sugar, which is called Kaleidoscope. Look at the colours in that, it is gorgeous. What I'm doing is I am just taking a really tiny amount of the Cool One Step and I am just putting that on really thinly. And this is just kind of going to create a very thin slip layer for our glitter to adhere to, because we don't want the nails to end up all bulky. So once that there is applied and I'm happy enough with that, I just get my glitter brush, dip into Kaleidoscope and I just pat that on, and I'm kind of going halfway up and then sort of just putting a couple of extra little bits, just so it sort of like looks like a bit of a fade, if you will. That's kind of like fading into black. I absolutely adore this glitter. It just looks like the ultimate party glitter to me. It reminds me of sort of fireworks and sparklers and just party poppers. It's gorgeous. So once I have that applied, I make sure that I pat down all those little pieces of glitter, because you don't want sort of, you know, too many sticking up. If you get those all nicely patted down, that'll keep everything nice and compact for you and not too near the edges, and then go in for a double cure. Okay, and I'm just going to go in and encapsulate both of those nails. That's the ring finger and the pointer finger, and then I will go back into the lamp, and that is them done and ready for filing. Okay, so moving on now to the pinky, and I'm going in with this gorgeous gold called Gloria, and then this colour here as well, too, from Neo Nail, which is kind of like a cool tone gold. And just look how gorgeous this is. I absolutely adore this. This is Gloria. She's so incredibly she's just so lovely to work with whenever you're doing any detail like this here, because the glitter is so fine. It's almost like a bit of a sort of metallic shimmer, if you will. It's just so lovely to work with. So I'm just doing a little firework design with Gloria there, obviously using my Nat Mug detailer, and more of those will be in stock very soon, so keep your eyes peeled early in the new year. Yay! So I'm just creating my little fireworks there. Like I say, that's the top one using Gloria, and I'm just going to cure it and then go back in and do the second firework down towards the sort of the free edge there. And then once I'm happy with that there, then I cure it as well to make sure that everything is set in place. Okay, so it was at this point that I thought that it needed a little bit, something extra to pull in the colour. So I had added some little stars to it, the Chameleon Stars, and then cured that in the lamp. And now I am just encapsulating that nail as normal, and it will go in for its final cure, and it shall also be ready for filing. Okay, so on to our final design, which is the little champagne bottle. And going in with my Mug detailer and that beautiful Gloria Gold shimmery gel once again. I'm just going to do the outline of the bottle first. And then once I'm happy with that outline, I'll go back in with some more of that Gloria and fill it all in. Of course, I mean, now you can, you know, flash cure at any point. So if you have your outline perfect and you want to just kind of flash that to keep it all in place, do go ahead and do that. I'm just kind of throwing all caution to the wind here and just sort of filling it all in, hoping that it's going to be absolutely fine. So once I have that little bottle filled in, I'm just going to do an oval shape and let's just sort of pull that down, and that's just with a different colour. You can use whatever colour you want for your little cork. And then I'm just doing the champagne spray whenever the cork pops, and then we'll go in for a cure. And then, as we've done with all the nails before, I'm just encapsulating that design, making sure that my edges, free edge and cuticle areas all tickety-boo, and then I shall pop it into the lamp for a cure. Okay, so now we're all filed and buffed and all that ready to go. Now we're on to the top coating, and although I don't usually leave this in, I don't think, but I thought this week I have to, because with the backdrop of Ankia, which is so black, it's such a beautiful black, that glitter just popped. The colours in it are amazing, and this was one satisfying top coat cam moment that I had to share, as well as that beautiful Gloria. It's just so rich, and those kind of like little champagne bubbles and stuff like that there, it just looked so good getting top coated. So I shall let you enjoy this and then show you the final result. Ta-da! And there we go. That is the final result. I hope you like them. I absolutely love them. They're so colourful and cheering. And although we've got nowhere to wear them to over here, that's for sure, but it's always nice to ring in the new year with a bit of cheer. And after the last 12 months, my goodness, do we need 2021 to be a much more uplifting year. At least we've made it through, and that's one thing that we can all celebrate together. So wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you have a fantastic evening and a happy new year. Thank you guys for all your support. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and say a little hello down below. And I will see you all again next week. Happy New Year, guys!